Can you guys share the live? Oh, there's 2 shares. Let's get to 50 shares. Okay, let's finish adding. Let's do dish soap balm with this epoxy, and so let's start with the soft scrub. Hey twin, you're back. Sorry, my phone died earlier and I was charging it, and I think it died in the middle of the dish soap balm. Lemon extra dish soap. Let's squeeze. How fast you're moving. This is from earlier. I couldn't finish the combo. My phone died. Okay, now let's I still have recycle cans for $1. I still have recycle cans for $1. Thank you, babe. So I'm gonna add 1 more can because they only sent for 9. My recycle is $1. Before I get off, you guys are welcome to send. If not, then this will be it. Let me squeeze this. An amazing work with her husband. There you go, ladies antenna. Thank you. Oh fuck, I'm so happy somebody came to the I have recycle cans for $1. Hi. Am I tripping, or I don't know? Am I tripping? I don't hear it either. You don't? Girl, you need to go watch Clean With Me's video when she's talking. And then you need to go watch Sarah when she's talking. I am dead serious. I don't know why, but I hear it a lot. And but yeah, it was crazy. Like, I really do think you guys sound alike. I need to maybe get in the box one day. Yes, please. That would be like, it would make me feel so much better, because I'm like, wait a minute, they really sound the same. And if you guys, trust me, I feel like you guys are gonna be like, she's right. And if I am right, like, please let me know, because I know I'm not tripping. I thought it was creepy, but at the same time, I'm like, no way they're hanging out together right now. I'm gonna go see if I can find a video of her. Yes. I just watched Clean With Me video and I don't hear it either. You don't? I hear it. I'm tripping then. I really am. I hear it a lot. So there's a water leak in my roof right now, in the ceiling, and then the plumbing. I guess my plumbing right now, I haven't been draining the paste a lot. I recently started draining my paste, and that's probably it. Thank you for sending, love. Oh, you're back. And you were on. I know. I had to go pick up my kids too, and then my phone died. She added 2 cans. Thank you. This is really chunky. So right now, I am not going to be draining. I had to put everything in the bottles. And yeah. Does anybody want recycled powder? It's $1. Two cans of fresh powder. I don't have fresh, my love. I'm sorry. But after this, I can go buy some. Do I have fresh? No, I don't. I really don't have fresh. Look at all those chunks. How many cans of recycle do you have? Oh, girl, how